Welcome to the recap of our recently concluded free of cost root cause analysis training for effective failure management. At Excellence Integrity Management, we are committed to providing high quality training sessions that help professionals enhance their expertise and earn valuable CPD hours. This session brought together industry professionals to explore structured problem-solving techniques, failure investigation methods, and real-world RCA case studies. A big thank you to all the participants who joined us. As always, we strive to empower professionals with knowledge that drives operational excellence. Now, let's take a look at some key moments from the session.
What basically the failure is. When you look into the failure, so basically failure is what is failure? It's basically a non-conformity of the product or machine. And when you look at the broader aspect in the different industries, so conformity plays a very vital role. It impacts business product, business and financial targets. So when we give an example, non-conformity of products like cars and mobile, they have been recalled. You must have heard multiple times, the cars have been recalled because of the differential gearbox issues or steering issues. We have good amount of examples throughout the history of the automobile industry and all. Same thing goes with the mobile phone as well. We have seen that mobile phones, something, they have been recalled because of the battery issues or certain kind of temperature issues and all. So these are the example where the products are not, conforming to the required standard or desired standard. What was intended, it is not meeting those kind of standards. So it is not conforming the requirement. When we are talking about, even in the oil and gas industries and all, there is mostly into the non-conformity of the machines. Some pumps, compressors, turbines, systems, they are failing and they are not able to deliver the required flow, required pressure, required throughput. And because of that, what happens that we have an impact on the equipment slowdown, plant slowdown, and sometimes it is, there is a cascading effect on the other plants as well, like power plant or, boiler systems where steam is not available, then entire refinery or entire complex, we have to shut it down. So those are the failure which they are impacting a lot. We have the risk assessment matrix. Based on the risk assessment matrix, we rank that particular failure. If you just for giving an example, if I have a slight impact on the damage or equipment, it is not impacting me on the production loss or maintenance. It may be somewhere here. Then if it has just happened at the location, it is falling here. So it is like a low risk event. Okay. Maybe the same thing happened, but I have a moderate damage. Maybe the same thing happened, but the happened at the site. The likelihood is D. Then it may be a medium impact. But if I see the asset, there is a major damage. Maybe I have 100,000 or maybe 1 million production loss or maintenance cost rework. It may be a major damage. Maybe it is here, right? Consequences basis. Then it is going here again. If it is happening multiple times in a year, maybe it is here. Okay, so these sections are very high risk failure events that has to be done in a proper, comprehensive way. So across the different industries in the procedures, they do employ this methodology. Low risk events, very low risk events, normal corrective maintenance is okay. If it is low risk event, no need to do. Okay, you just employ your corrective maintenance and no need to do any further investigation. But yes, if you have moderate impact, medium impact, employ the 5 Maybe in some cases low risk impact also, it is good to implement the 5 Whys analysis. Okay, it depends on the operations and reliability teams decision making. What if it is really an potential impact is there, current actual impact is not there, but there is a chance that if it happens in a different scenario, it may have higher impact. So in that case, 5 Whys analysis is favored. For medium ranking cases, which is like yellow, it falls in this particular category. We must do the 5 Whys analysis. Then massive impact, when I have a red cases, high risk events, the comprehensive RCA cause and effect event is the solution. It has to be followed, it has to be implemented, it has to be done. Okay, so this is how we rank the failure events. This is how we we identify the investigation methodology. Cases, I will go for corrective maintenance, low risk cases. But if it has happened to the critical machineries, or it is, when the management says that, the operation manager said, though it has not impacted me production wise or anything, but yes, I want to find out the root cause, then 5 whys is the good way to investigate. For medium cases, we should apply the 5 whys analysis, and high risk comprehensive RCA is the must. Okay, we need to employ the comprehensive RCA, the cause and effect relationship methodology. Okay. Okay. The next thing is that once we have investigation is done, actions are implemented, we have measured the performance, and we are looking at the success also. The next most important thing is to capture the lesson learned. Okay. Lesson learned is that whatever lesson learned you have captured, make sure you be shared across the different department, different units, for the benefit of the greater good of the company. Okay, so whenever we have some success in that particular investigation that is implemented, we are getting the benefits. The best thing is that replicate those lesson learnings. So make sure that those lesson learnings are shared across, cross learnings are there. Maybe different locations, different process units, areas, different departments. Make sure those learnings are there. Similar set of process units are there, similar trains are there, multi locations are there. It is being replicated. That's the best way of reducing the failure well ahead in advance. Okay, so lesson learned is most important. Whenever you have success, make sure it is captured properly in a proper methodology, and it is being shared through proper management meetings, or uh, your newsletters, or something like that. Okay, so make sure that that is also part of our RCA methodology, that we capture the lesson learned and it is being shared for the cross reference and cross learnings. Okay.
And that wraps up our RCA training recap. We regularly host free training sessions covering key industry topics and offer CPD certified certificates to our attendees. Want to join our upcoming sessions? Visit excellenceintegrity.com/live training to explore upcoming courses and register today. Stay updated with industry news and insights. Download our latest newsletter and stay informed. Available at excellenceintegrity.com/newsletter. Thank you for being part of this learning journey. See you in our next training session. Subscribe and follow us for more updates.